Welcome to my channel. So while working on Excel, once in a while we all have felt like कि मुझे lookups न लगाने पड़े, मैं बस sum का data रखूं and मेरा sum मुझे मिल जाए. But how is that possible? Yeah, that's possible on the intersection of rows and columns. I told you earlier that Excel is smarter tool and it can fetch data in n number of ways that we don't even know. So yeah, wanna know the Excel tricks that can make you work smarter, not harder? Let's check out this magic.
So for example, I am having this data where I am having the name of the companies and I want to know the market year trend on the basis of year. So rather than doing the lookup again and again and then changing the references, I will teach you two shortcuts with the help of which you can make this entire table dynamic and it will read your data based on the intersections of rows and columns. Yes, you heard it right, on the basis of intersection of rows and columns. So all you have to do is that select your entire data. When you have to press the shortcut Control Shift F3, it will make your data dynamic. You have to choose the top row and left column, click on OK. Once you have clicked on OK, so now it will not just read it as a rows or columns, it will read your data as a set of the table, it will become the entire database for the Excel. You just have to choose the name of the company. For example, I want to take the name of Bajaj Finserv, and after that, for whatever year you have to take, just put the spaces. This space will mark as the intersection of rows and columns. So putting this space after your criteria is necessary, then just put the market year 1 and enter. You don't need to do any lookup or anything, or you can keep on changing it. For example, I want to take the one of IRFS. So I will just take this one, and by giving the space, I will provide the intersection rows and columns, and then if I choose market year trend 2, it will give me for year 2. And not only lookup, you can do the sum also. So you just have to put the sum, then market year 1, then after that for the market year 2, sorry, select the second one. Then after that, you have to give the spaces. As I told you, spaces mark as the intersection of rows and columns. Then putting the Bajaj and just close this one. It will give you the totals also, and not only you can do it for the one, but you can do it for many also. Like if you have to take two criteria. For example, along with Bajaj, I want this Shriram Finance, so I will just put this and choose Shriram Finance, and it will give me for that one also. So yeah, it was quick now. So do follow me for more such magic tricks of Excel.